Welcome to this technical guide on the Dyson V11. We are Kelatos Informatica, specialists in technical repair. We collect your device from your doorstep, carry out a free diagnosis, and send you a quote before any repair. No phone calls, no trips to the shop. We are based at Calle Joaquín María López 26, Madrid. Convenient, transparent and professional. Link in the description. If your Dyson V11 won't start because the trigger is faulty, you're not alone. This issue often arises due to wear and tear over time, and if left unresolved, it can lead to further complications with your vacuum cleaner. A faulty trigger means your device won't operate, rendering it useless until the problem is addressed. Thankfully, we can help you fix this. For this repair, you will need a small Phillips screwdriver, a flathead screwdriver, and a replacement trigger part. Begin by ensuring your Dyson V11 is turned off and unplugged. To open the device safely, locate the screws on the back of the handle. Carefully remove these screws using your Phillips screwdriver, placing them in a safe location. Once the screws are out, gently pry the handle apart using your flathead screwdriver, being cautious not to damage any surrounding components. The faulty trigger is usually located within the handle assembly. Inspect the trigger mechanism. You should see the part that is not functioning correctly. To extract it, carefully disconnect any cables that may be attached, noting their positions for reassembly later. Remove the old trigger by unscrewing any screws that hold it in place, applying a moderate amount of force. If at this point you feel it's getting too tricky, remember that at Kelatos we collect your device from your door and return it fully repaired. Once the old trigger is removed, take your new trigger and position it where the old one was. Secure it with the screws you previously removed, ensuring it's tightly fitted but not over-tightened. Reconnect any cables, making sure they are securely in place to avoid any electrical issues. Now that everything is reassembled, it's time to close the handle. Align the two halves carefully and press them together until they click into place. Finally, reinsert the screws into the back of the handle, securing them tightly. To ensure your Dyson V11 is now functioning correctly, plug it in and test the trigger. If it starts up, congratulations, you've successfully completed the repair. To prevent this issue from recurring, make sure to regularly clean your vacuum and avoid forcing the trigger if it feels stuck. Additionally, storing your Dyson in a dry place can help prolong its lifespan. If you'd rather not risk damaging your device, at Kelatos we collect, repair and deliver back to your door anywhere in the UK. Link in the description.